place that I call
Production.
Yeah, it's been years, still looking back to where I've been. Cold floors and locked doors and scars within. Sitting here looking in the mirror, all I remember is that kid lost alone, looking for the next fix and score. Sleeping on cold floors, begging for more to eat. Left alone in the heat, with 2 feet of duffel bag and dirty clothes and nowhere to go. Just stuck out of the street alone. Yeah, surrounded by friends or foes in the zone. Crowded by people on the streets alone. Some you trust, some you cheat, no place to call home. Just wish sometimes back then I would've picked up the phone and said, Mama, I need you more than you know. And Daddy, I'm sorry for the money I stole, but I was hungry and losing control. Coming down from all the drugs in my vein, it's still hard to explain. God, why did I have to be that way? Yeah, now I made it out 11 years later. Made it out alive, clean and no more desire to ever use again in my life. With scars I can see, the scars that I can't hide. I still remember these days replaying over in my mind. So many dark times, from locked doors and being in a cage. From all the years of rage, I lost myself that day when I let the devil escape through my pain. I was between love and hate, and drugs were sure to be my fate. 1 foot in the grave, but God gave me that day. He showed me a new way, a new life. He gave me a chance to fight, stay alive, to leave the past behind, to never have to feel that kind of pain inside again. Now I know He has always been there by my side. Because of Him I didn't die, now I'm never alone. I found my way home. Because of you, I made it home.